Today I'll show you how you can actually make your drawing much better with just 5 minutes. So I will show you my warm-ups that I use before every drawing, and with that you can make much better pieces. So I've been drawing for like a year and a half now. I've made a decent progress, and I just want to share all the things that I've learned with you so you can make even more progress faster and with much less work. Because now all the experience that I gathered throughout the year you just get for free. So enjoy. Now, there was a point where I was just drawing, okay? I just wanted to draw, I started drawing. And okay, why not? But then after some time, before like drawings, I was actually like practicing something, okay? So I was like doing some gestures studies, I would draw like circles and stuff. And after that, I've made a drawing. And I realized that it was much better than my previous one, okay? And it was also faster, but I don't know, maybe it was just luck, whatever. So I tried to do that again the next time I would draw. I like took like 5 to 10 minutes before a drawing. I just was kind of warming up, okay? So I was doodling something, and then the painting was also better. At that time I knew that there has to be something with it. So I realized that warm-ups are actually important. So I realized that actually warm-ups as little as 5 to 10 minutes can actually make a huge impact on your drawing. So it's like a gym. So before you exercise, you warm up. Same as in drawing. Before you draw, warm up. And yeah, why use warm-ups? And yeah, I just said it. So for me, what I think it does is, so let's say you're drawing without the warm-up, okay? So you'll eventually get warmed up, okay? But that may come much later. So maybe in like a half of a piece. And at that time, you've already made a lot of work. So now, I mean, you draw better, but now your whole base is unstable. Okay, now let's say you warm up before drawing and your hand is actually warm up. Okay, you maybe do some stretches and stuff. Okay, you do the things that I'll be talking about. And now you start drawing, and from get-go, you are warmed up. So your base that you'll do, let's say it might be a sketch or whatever, will be much better. So that's like the main reason for me that I use warm-ups, okay? And now how to actually warm up, okay? So the first warm-up that I do is I fill the whole canvas with circles, okay? So, you know, I'll do like smaller ones, okay? Bigger ones, much bigger ones, okay? And I'll just try to fit the whole canvas with them, okay? After that, just do that once. After that, I'll do ovals, okay? And also fill that canvas with it. And what it does is basically like, okay, whenever I do a structure for my painting, you know, for head I use a circle, okay? And there's a lot of like circles, I guess, in drawing whenever you do. So it just warms up, and now from like a first try you can make a decent circle, okay? And you don't have to like, I don't know, like draw a thousands of times while you just try to do a circle, a simple circle or oval. Your hand is warmed up, okay? You warmed up your muscle memory, so now you can actually do like a perfect circle. And yeah, that was the first one. Now let's go to the other one, which is actually what I do is I put a dot, and from that I just shoot straights, okay? And obviously what it does is helps you with lines, okay, with making straight lines, because they are important whenever you draw, okay? And if I'll do that, okay, if I'll go like a couple of them, then I'll just go do a spiral from, you know, from that point, and I'll do like 5 of these. And yeah, what it does is, you know, the spirals also help you with making those curves, okay? But also the straights, whenever you, I don't know, like a form, like a, I don't know, an armor or whatever, or a cube even, it helps you to, you know, make those straight lines. It's the same as with circles. Now you know how to draw a straight line, so you don't have to do 1,000 of them. So you just do one and it's straight. Now, what I actually like, another one, is I'll first do a couple of dots, okay? So I don't know, like a couple of them, and then I'll just try to connect them with as straight lines as I can, okay? And here what I do is I'll try to connect every dot with each other. And it takes a little bit of time, but whatever, okay? And if you just don't get it at the first time, just Ctrl Z and go again and try to connect them, you know, like the harder ones that they are further apart. Okay, but try to not only, you know, don't rotate your canvas here. What you do is just try to do like angles that you are not comfortable with doing. Okay, so maybe from top to bottom, or bottom to top. Okay, from left to right or right to left, diagonal and stuff. It just helps you also with straight lines, but also with, you know, like different angles. Okay, so maybe now you know how to draw, but you don't just draw from one angle, because at the beginning what I would do is, okay, I gotta do like, okay, this line here, okay, then I'll rotate canvas, I'll do again the same line, then same line, okay, then a same line. So, you know, just don't move your canvas, just, you know, do different strokes. So yeah, now I'll do something for making my lines more flowy, okay, making my lines have some flow and making the painting nice to look. So here what it is CSI, okay, and here basically is all the stuff that you need. So what I do is I fill the whole canvas with those shapes. So I do like C's, okay, maybe S's, okay, maybe I, okay, and I just try to do like with no thought in my brain, like those curves, okay, and they're helpful to making characters, okay, so or like poses, even like making trees or whatever, and it just makes you have more flow in your painting, okay. So maybe with that, what you can do is like guide your viewer's eye to a specific part of the painting that you want. So, you know, like here you go through like that, okay, and here let's say you have a face. Obviously it doesn't work like that. Maybe you have like a face here, okay, and maybe like a trees, okay, pointing in that direction, okay, maybe like a hand, and yeah, it helps you with a lot of stuff. But now let's go to the next one, which is actually do like a 5 to 10 minutes of gestures. So I don't know, like take some references, okay, like a basic poses. And yeah, what it does, it actually, you know, warms up everything you need. So you learn to draw circles, okay, C's, S's, straight lines, and yeah, you can skip all those before, but just do like 10 minutes of gestures and it will also warm up you. Now, if you're struggling with making progress in your art, or you feel stuck, what you can do is, you know, check the top link in the description below, where I can tell you exactly what you need to improve your art, to improve your drawings. And if you enjoyed this video, okay, go and like, subscribe, comment. Maybe you have your own warm-ups, I would like to know about them. And yeah, just remember, before drawings, just warm up and you'll get better. So yeah, thank you for watching, and to the next one. Now you go and draw, okay? Don't waste time watching more, and bye.